everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited. I have been drooling over this concept for quite some time, and now I was able to receive it. So the first time I ever saw this was on Brian Diamond Painting with Elliot. I think that's your whole name, Brian. I'm so sorry. First time I saw him unbox this, I was drooling, and then I saw Crafts with Crashly unbox it, and I'm like, I've got to get it. So this is what I received. The store is on Etsy called JH Envision Lab. And let's see what we got in here. It is a drill tray. Okay, so this is a personalized drill tray. It's square, and I'm super excited. Look at how professional that is. They have their own sticker. This is my favorite color. I was drooling when I saw them release this. I'm like, that's it. I'm pulling the go button. I'm hitting it. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right, so this is the tray. It's beautiful. It's like this teal green. It is a 3D print, and it's personalized. So it says DP Addict Adventures because I'm a DP Addiction Adventures, but it's not going to fit this whole tray, so I shortened it. But isn't that gorgeous? It's personalized. And then it has a little plug here, which I really like. And then they sent, oh, Heather, thank you so much. This is beautiful. These are cute little custom looking plugs. One is a heart and one is a diamond. They do have now that you can pick if you want it on the right or the left. And I chose on the left, the spouts, because most of my trays, that's how they are, is that way. And so I was like, I kind of want them uniform, so that's why I chose it this way. So I'm super excited. Let's pour some drills in here. Let's see how they swish swash. All right, so these are some square drills I just had laying over here. All right, I'm gonna put the diamond one in so I don't accidentally, so just a little. I usually angle, and then the ones that don't lay flat fall down in the groove. That's awesome. And look at this. Can you see in there? They have a little extra holder. It's like a little rod that they've developed so that this is sturdy and is not going to break off as easily. Little support system. These line up really well. You can see. All right, so we're gonna pour these back. These are squares, what I have. Now let's see how the funnel works. Okay, here we go. They're coming pretty easily. All right, so they all came out. Perfect. Let me see if I have any rounds that we can play with and see. Oh, I have all these squares just hanging out here. Here's some rounds. Let's do some gold rounds. That'll look really pretty on this. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So thank you so much, Heather at JH Envision Lab. This cost was $19.99. However, they are less expensive if you do not want the the personalization. They're very reasonably priced. They're $14 without the personalization. And they have one of those no-touch hook keychains that you can use nowadays. So super fantastic, love it. Thank you so, so much. And I will be saving up to potentially buy another one. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I love you all. Bye-bye.